Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and I'm in the bathroom. These are my closet doors. I haven't got the handles yet. I think I know what I'm going to order though. But every time I open this and think about starting to put the closet rod and shelves and everything in here, I keep thinking about this darn door. And of the people that commented, the majority said to keep it. Just in the short time that we've had it here and showed other people the bathroom, they're like, what's that? What's that? What's that? You know, and from the other door, where's that door go? And the other side. And I think I'm gonna take it out. I'm not quite done in here yet anyway, and we've got to get I've got to build a closet organizer. I was gonna put like a shoe rack thing in front of it, so you wouldn't even see it from in here, but you would definitely see the door from the other side. So it's only gonna cost me like 35 bucks. And labor, so I'm just going to take it out and seal it up. I didn't want to, but that's what I'm going to end up doing. So I'm going to get at it. And the first thing I got to do is remove the trim. Again, I had these two off before. Got them all nailed back in. One side down. Now I got to take the other side off. All right, well, that was quick. Now I get to cut it out. All right, door's removed. I'm gonna get this stuff out of here and we'll get the drywall going. Okay, so this is 32-inch opening right here. So I'm gonna end up putting a board at 16-inch center. Well, maybe I'll put it at 15.5, so it's in the center of that wall of the hallway. In case we want to hang a picture or something up, we'll have a 2x4 right in the middle of that. So I'll know it's there. I have a stud finder, but that'll make it easier to find. So I'm going to put a stud down and a stud across the bottom. And what I'm going to do is, these 2x4s are bigger than modern day 2x4s. So in order to get the drywall to hopefully match, because drywall is not exact either, I'm going to cut roughly another 1/2 inch or so off of here, so I'll have something to screw my drywall to. Got it clamped on. I can use a blade. I think it'd be easier just to use my cutting tool. All right, so I got both sides drywall cut. I only did that because I don't have the wood that thick to put on both sides. So I just trimmed down the drywall on both sides of the wall. Should be fine. And I do have a board that I can put in the middle and across the bottom. So now it's time to clean up the mess. I guess I should say part one of the mess. Seems like I'm never done cleaning. Okay, so for my center board, I went ahead and put a top one and a bottom one. That way I can just nail it up on the sides and I don't have to toenail that top one in. Just make it a little bit easier. I had a little bit of extra wood out there, so I thought, why not make it easier on me? All right, I need to get those nailed in. I just got to get my drywall up. So sorry about that. I didn't hit play. So I cut my piece of drywall, and I actually had a little struggle with it up at the top. I mean, it was less than a 1/16 of an inch off. And I just had to get my blade up there, and I just kept shaving and shaving and shaving and got it up there. So now all I got to do is put the screws in here. I'll put a little mud in the cracks before I tape, although that edge is really tight. The top's not bad, but I got a little bit of a gap here on the right. So I will just mud it just to be sure that I'm not going to get bubbles or the tape sucking in. So there you go. Do you want to see me put the other side up? I think I'm going to spare you that. Anyway, there's my enclosed door. I'll get it taped. Then I'm going to have to texture it and then paint it. But yeah, I think that's going to be a lot better once I get it taped, textured, painted. It'll look like the door was never there. And same on the other side. It'll look like there was no door. And I won't get questions like, where's that door go? All right, so I'll be back. Okay, now I got the drywall up. Now I've got to get the tape on, and I've got to, put the mud on. And I end up doing on this side, I'm not going to show you the other side, but on this side, the right side, it was pretty far off for some reason. I don't know why. The other side went fantastic. This side, I got about 3, I think I actually had to go 4 coats on the right side to get it feathered across to make it smooth. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, you got to put some tape down, got to put some tarp down, and plastic up anyway. And then we're going to get the hopper out and texture this wall. And this went pretty quick. This is pretty easy to do. It's just a mess to clean up. Okay, got to lay some more tape down. I got to put some tarp down, and then we're going to start painting the bottom and the top, and then roll the center. And yeah, this is about it. All right, the big reveal. I'll move you in so you can get a better look, but let me turn the light on. Here we go. No more door. The door is gone. The wall is nice and smooth all the way across. You really can't tell where the door was at the top, anywhere on the wall. So the other side, let me go show you the other side because it turned out pretty fantastic. Okay, but before I do, here's the before of this door. Okay, so this is the other side of the door. You come down the hallway and turn right, and this would go into the bedroom. And now it's closed off, so here we go. Okay, look at that. All right, there's the trim, and there's the wall where the door was. I mean, you cannot even tell there was a door there. So pretty happy with it. I really did struggle with leaving that door there. I really didn't want to take it out, but then after I had everything done, every time I opened this door, that door was there. And yeah, I could have put a bookcase or, a shoe shelf or something in front of it. You wouldn't have seen it, but you would have seen it from the other side. And now the other side being done, it gives us the opportunity of hanging a mirror or a picture or something there. And now when I open up this door, there's no door. I actually like that a lot better. It just didn't look finished, and I thought, well, I could finish it in a couple of years or whenever it starts bothering me. And you know what? I ain't getting any younger, so I figured I'll just get it done now. It looks fantastic. I'm glad I did. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you hit the like and subscribe. I hope you ring the bell to see what else we do around here. There's a lot of, well, hopefully it's coming towards an end of doing inside stuff, but there's still a lot of projects in this old house. Plus we do our gardening, anything outside, how-tos, reviews. Don't miss any of it, all right? Thanks for checking it out again. I hope you have a great day.